We are in Chongming. This is Shanghai's largest island, full of nature and open spaces.
The sky is full of stars, such a fresh air, and great coffee in my hand, here in Shanghai. Let's go! We are in the water forest and we are here to find Milu deers. They live here, so let's go to search for them.
This conservation area opened 5 years ago. It started with 1 male deer and 3 females. Now there are 10 male deer here, including a baby born just a few weeks ago.
I've just seen the whole family of Milu deers. This is such a special moment. Long time ago, they almost disappeared from Shanghai, but now we can see them here again. Now we'll see a very mysterious creature. Are you ready? Let's go!
Do you know that Chinese sturgeon is one of the oldest fish in the world?
Really?
Just like the same age as the dinosaurs.
So it means more than 100 million living fossil.
Yes.
How big it can be, because it looks so huge.
It can grow up to 4 meters long and 680 kilograms.
Chongming is famous for rice fields. Here you can try local treats like rice cakes and rice latte.
Today I reconnected with nature. Chongming is officially recognized as International Wetland City, and it's a perfect place to learn more about ecology. I'm sure I will be back here.